Hi there, Craig Hocknull here. We're going to talk about uneven lies with wedge play. Most of the time when you've come up short of the green or it's a par 5 and you need to hit a short 50 or 60 yard wedge shot, most of the time that lie is not flat. In this condition, the ball is above my feet. So I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to hit this shot more consistently. When that ball is above your hip, make sure you swivel your hips just a little bit more. And what that does is it flattens out your swing plane a little bit and make sure that that club is coming into impact a little bit more around and a little bit more shallow. The tendency on this particular lie, when you take your normal backswing, is you come down deep and sharp and you take a big divot and chunk it short. So here's that shot I'm going to demonstrate for you. Take my setup. This is going to be a halfway back, halfway through with a little more rotation. Halfway back, halfway through, a little more rotation, shallows out that attack angle. So keep that in mind next time you've got this particular shot. Hopefully that helps you with your short game.